This is another one I was out to and the police were here and I had to have them escort these people out. Insane with the squatters.
I was gonna say, how's that going right now? Do you think it's kind of going up or what's up?
I've seen more squatters lately. It's just crazy. We have a difficult economy right now. I want you to be careful. I'm gonna just scope this out real fast, make sure we don't have any issues here. Oh shit. There's squatters. Yeah, we can't make this up. Are you filming? This is crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. This is crazy. I mean, you can't make this up. No, look at him. Guns out. Come on now, put your hands up. Oh, here we go. There's one. There's one. Raquel? Yeah. You here to look at the house? We're just clearing it, and then I'll get you in. Perfect, buddy. Thank you so much. That's crazy. This is crazy. I mean, you can't make this up. I'm going to show the house. What kind of buyer would want this house? We're filming a TV show. Like, this is real life. Welcome to real estate, baby. Okay, so we're 1 for 1 so far. You should have mic'd up the cop, man. You should have got the mic the cop.
That's what I said.
He's not gonna let you do it.
No, he won't. Oh, there you go.
No shoes. Only one?
Yeah.
Oh. You're like, we do this 20 times a day. I'm sure. How many calls are you getting like this right now?
All the time.
It's just insane. Did you guys walk through the whole thing so it's safe to go in there now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Was there like a bunch of beds in there? Because there's beds in there now.
There was beds in there, yeah. So I'm gonna get my crews to get them out and go from there. Thank you. Yep.
What's a good phone number for you?
6. But if it's an emergency, you can give me a 911. How you like that?
All right, and do you want to press charges?
Absolutely. Can you walk us through the house real fast? Is that okay or no?
Yeah.
All right, let's do that real fast. Do I get his bike? Oh, this is open. Was this open when you came here, or those guys pulled it open?
This one was like this.
Oh, so it's not even secure. I gotta secure this and go from there. Look at this nice stuff, though. I mean, this I think is new. I mean, they were moving in with the furniture and everything when they get that out of the Marriott. So you gotta have fun, right? This is a situation. You gotta make the best of it. Cool cop, good dude. I was just in here a day ago. It's not destroyed. It is what it is. Good looking house. Hey, everybody. Sorry to bother you today. It's crazy. I just wonder what kind of drugs this guy was on. Look at the purse. It's a fancy purse. Bro, don't even think about touching anything. But it's a 4-bed, 2-bath, right? It is clear, which as we can tell. Can't see anything. Where do they get these lights? These guys just pull these lights off the street or something? It's so weird. Look at this shit. Let's see there. Oh, here's the needles. Oh! Watch out for the needles. All right. Needles, they cash. Officer, get yourself a drink. I donated to you.
I don't need the cash, bro.
Okay. Do I get the cash?
It's your house.
It is my house, technically, but you know what? I'm gonna leave it for the next buyer. I ain't touching that. Do you want the money?
No.
You don't? We'll take a plastic bag and put it in there. Donate it to somebody. Oh, I see. Look, they blocked the door from us coming. That's so crazy. They locked it like this. That's crazy. Do not open for anybody. I mean, anybody. Lock the doors all the time. That's good instructions. Thank you. Ay. Well, that's a nice gaming chair. All right. He's got Nikes. A homeless guy has some nice new Nikes in his pants. Does he want his dress shirt? I'll invite you guys back for the open house. I have 18 more of these within 5 miles, so you may be seeing me in the next few days. Appreciate you. Thank you. You too.
I wouldn't touch it even if it was $1,000.
$1,000 I would touch it.
You would?
What do you mean? I grab a plastic bag, put it in, take it to the bank, and not touch it for $1,000? What do you mean? I'm not physically touching it. Get the rubber gloves. Let's go, baby. No problem.